Hello everyone, how are you doing today? This is Stephen with Divine Mobile Home Central. In today's video, we are out at Scotbilt Factory Outlet in Waycross, Georgia. In today's video, we are going to be touring this beautiful single wide called the Driftwood. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single wide home. So before we go inside, let's get a feel for the outside of the home first. All right, so let's go inside and let's get to the good stuff. If you're new here, my name is Stephen. I do manufactured modular home tours, and I also do general manufactured home information videos. I invite you to join our family by subscribing to our channel. Welcome. We are happy to have you here. And please feel free to like and drop a comment down below. Okay, let's go and see what this Driftwood has to offer. A short disclaimer, I do not work for the manufacturer or dealer of this home. I record these videos because I love and enjoy touring these homes. If you have any additional questions about finding this home, pricing, or specifications, any information that I have will be down in the description box. Thank you very much. All right, so we're stepping inside. This is your living room. You have a very nice living room here. Of course, you have plenty of space for your sofa or your chair or, whatever you want to put here. Let's get y'all a view from another angle. All right, so this is your living room, guys. I'll probably put like my entertainment center or something over there, but at least that's what I would do. Of course, you have your nice, beautiful wood floors. It does come with a ceiling fan, but of course, after you purchase the home, you can put whatever you want to put up there. Now, this home would have the air vents in the floors, but nevertheless, this home is energy efficient, so it will heat up and cool off very quickly. So, okay. So, another look at the living room here. Or you can put like a little entertainment center over there. It's really up to you. All right, so here's the kitchen. Have your kitchen area. Now, you guys stick around for the price. I will give a price at the end of the video, a rough estimate price. So this is your kitchen, guys. You have a sink right here, a nice deep sink. Of course, you can look out the window while you're doing your dishes. And I really love these balances right here. That's a nice feature. So plenty of space. Now I really love the decorative paneling that they would have right here too. It gives it a very rustic, characteristic look. Right, so this is the kitchen. Of course, you got plenty of space for decorations and decor. Of course, you have the cam recess lights in the ceiling as well. Overall, this is a very nice kitchen. Give you all a sample of the cabinet space right here. Okay. And of course, your drawers will go right there as well. This is a very nice, very interesting. Then, of course, you'd have your dishwasher as well. All right, so let's go check out the rooms. So, of course, this would be your hallway. And then, of course, I always like to point this out every time I look at the homes. This would be your AC thermostat, but of course, like I've always say, I will put an Ecobee thermostat right here after I purchase a home. Very nice, and a big thumbs up. So you can definitely control it with your phone or your Apple iPhone or your Android phone. So, All right, so this is your hallway. Now they do have carpet in the hallway right here. I probably would have taken this wood floor and then take it all the way into the hallway. So this is your hallway. And I love the fact that they have a window in this hallway as well. So it brings in natural light to the house as well. So as opposed to just being a dark hallway. Very nice feature. All right, let's check out the bedrooms right here. This will be your first guest bedroom. All right, get y'all a brief look right here. Now this is the last house I'll be touring here today. So they're actually fixing to close very soon. So I'll be leaving here once I get done filming this house. But this is a nice sized bedroom though. Get y'all a view from another angle. Okay, let's take a look at the closet. So this will be your closet. Okay. All right, so let's check out the guest bathroom and the other guest bedroom. So this will be your hallway guest bathroom. You got plenty of space in this guest bathroom. You have your you have a single sink right here. You have your light switches as well as your plug-in outlet. And you also have your mirror. Now remember, if you don't like this kind of mirror, you can always go to a home improvement store and put you a really nice mirror up here. You can definitely do that. You know, remember you guys, when you purchase a house, you're the king and queen of your own castle. So you do what you want with your house. So of course there's your commode, and I love all the space that you would have between the commode as well. You got a cabinet, you have your medicine cabinet up here. And of course you have your full fiberglass tub and shower combo. Very nice. All right, one more good look. All right, let's check out this bedroom right here. So this is your second guest bedroom. Let's get y'all a view from another angle right here. This is definitely a large guest bedroom. You put you like a king size or a queen size bed in here. So, but the other room I showed you, I'll probably use that room as an office. I would definitely use the other room as an office. But that's just my needs. It depends on what your needs are. So, of course, you have a nice big window. Let's take a look at the closet. Decent sized closet. All right, one more good look at this room, and then we'll check out the master. Okay. All right, let's go check out the master bedroom. But before you do, if you've made it this far in the video, and if you are new here, I invite you to hit that subscribe button. Welcome, we are very happy to have you here. And please feel free to like and drop a comment down below. So with that being said, let's go take a look at the master bedroom. Now, before we take a look at master bedroom, you have your utility space right here. You have your back door. You have your place for your washer and dryer hookup. Of course, you got plenty of shelves right there. And of course, you have your central heat and air right there. So this will be your central heat and air furnace right here. All right, so this is a master bedroom, you guys. Sure, a beautiful master. Get y'all a view from another angle here. Okay. Again, this home is called the Driftwood. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single wide. Got plenty of space in here for a king size bed. And lots of furniture. All right, let's check out the master closet. Wow, look at this. I wasn't expecting this. Look at this big master closet. I was not expecting this closet to be this big. You got shelving right there. Of course, you have your water heater access panel right there. You would have extra shelving right there. This is nice. This is a nice size closet. It's so much so you can actually put like a small bench in here if you wanted to. You could actually put you could probably put like a chest or drawer right there too if you wanted to save on the space in your main part of your master bedroom. Overall, this is a very nice master closet. Very nice master closet. All right, let's take a look at the master bathroom, then we'll give you the price. All right, so this is the master bathroom. Of course, you have your garden tub right there. Sorry, it is a little dark. And of course, over there, you have your commode. You would have your double sinks. Again, you have that little area right there, like I saw in the previous model that we toured. And I'll make sure I put a link up in the iCard above. Of course, you got another sink. Now let's see if we can look at this over here. And of course, you would have your shower. All right, this is a very nice master bathroom. Very astonishing manufactured home. Overall, I'm very, very impressed. Now again, this home does have the air vents in the floors, but I imagine you can get them put in the ceilings, though I'm not exactly sure. But make sure you contact this dealership for more information concerning that matter. All right, let's take a look at the price and then we'll close out the video. All right, so this home is called the Driftwood, and the starting price is right there on your screen. It's $97,564. But remember, prices are subject to change, so make sure you contact this dealership for more additional up-to-date information concerning pricing and specifications. All right, you guys. Well, that will conclude the tour of this home. This is Steven with Divine Mobile Home Central, your central source for manufactured modular home tours and more. I will see you all in the next video. You all take care and have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Hello, everyone. How are you doing? I know this is unexpected, but I just wanted to come on here and I just wanted to clarify and give a disclaimer about the pictures that I'm going to show. Now, the home that you just viewed was called the Driftwood, of course. Now, the pictures I'm going to show, they're not of the actual model, but they are very identical. Now, I was able to find a good little bit of information on this model. Now, if you've watched the whole entire video tour, you'll actually see that in the video. But I just want to clarify the pictures, though. Now, the pictures, they're not of the exact home, but they are very, very identical. The spruce, which is a 3-bedroom single wide, and the birch, which is a 4-bedroom single wide. The only difference is the birch is an extra bedroom, but otherwise, their layouts are exactly the same. So as you see these decoration pictures, you'll actually see that they are very identical. But also, I wanted to also give you guys a broader idea of the different colors that you can choose for the interior of the home as well as the exterior. Now, if they ever get these homes in the future, the models that I mentioned, which is the spruce and the birch, I will definitely do a video tour, walkthrough video tour of them for you guys. That way we can get you guys a better idea of how they would look. I hope you all enjoy the decoration pictures. This is Steven signing out. Y'all have a wonderful day and take care.